Hi everyone, it's Hava at Aharon's Jewish Books in Judaica in the Mile High City of Denver. And today we're talking about our shofars that we have here in the store. We have yemenite, which are very lovely curves, beautiful colors. We also have the ram's horn, which don't have as many curves as the yemenite. These yemenite shofars have a beautiful tone. My son Adam will demonstrate with one of the larger shofars. These beautiful shofars can be seen at Aharon's Jewish Books in Judaica, 600 South Holly Street, Suite 103, Denver, Colorado, or on the web at milehigh.com. That's milechai.com. Or give us a call at 303-322-7345, 800-830-8660. We hope to hear from you soon.